Start recording. Oh, I don't have a pause button. Alright, I know what it is because I haven't installed yet. What is it called? HPlib. You know, every time I install HPlib, I get the pause button here. Because this is GhostBSD 25. It's running on my virtualizer. And let's see where we can see it. So sadly, I get always this nagging button now to upgrade to 26. I would love to know how to switch that off, that I don't get nagged here, because it can't, right? If I do it, yes, it updates, but then I've got 0 time. I still have the upgraded version here on this virtualizer, because if somebody would perform a miracle and figure out how to change time, the time zone, and actually working, then I would do it. Of course I would do it. So, but I have it on my laptop, and I wanted to have it here too. You see, and that's number 2502 R14. And that's what I have here. And you see, this is major upgrade. I don't want to be up. Go away. Nope, nope, nope. Don't want it. I might have to switch that thing off and do manually all my so I don't need that really then. But if I go for updates, I might still get the upgrade. I don't want that. So I don't want to click it because it might just run, and I don't want it. So yeah, I will get my pause button back when I have installed HPlib. That's how usually it works on GhostBSD 25. I have no clue why, but it's just the way it is. And you can see I removed already the panel down on the bottom and added my window list and workspaces here, so I got everything available. It's not fully installed. I'm just on the way installing it to make it more useful for me. So this one has to go there too, right? That goes here, and then it goes back. And so, yeah, somebody wrote, kind of praised GhostBSD, and that made this a very nice desktop environment, I would call it. And BSD, yeah, BSD has many advantages. It's a solid, stable operating system. Has a different logic than Linux, and I do like that logic. Yeah, I have one thing and ain't broken down, fix it. So one thing for one time, because if something breaks down, it's not the whole system breaking down, it's one thing not breaking down, right? And we all can live with that. What else was it? Yeah, I used it with FreeNAS. At this time, you know, you had to install something like Sonar in a jail or ZapNZBD, and this all worked. This was all great, and it was rock solid. And yeah, you know what? I will introduce another BSD server system. You might like it. It's, yeah, I'm not giving too far away, but I have to set up a virtual box because we want to try out something, and it has some perks. It's, yeah, I really think I got to do this and see what you guys think about it when we're doing it. One moment, my headphone is here stuck under. Why is it under that cable? So I have to unplug here. And yeah, it looks terrible here. My wife is just gone. That's why I thought I'd make a video that we have at least something coming up. I tried with LilyDog to install the NVIDIA graphic card drivers. I had only 2 installed so far and screwed them all up. It's not doing the, not uploading the modules because it can't find certain things. Backports are already open up, because when you fire up LilyDog, there's a beginner's script. If you begin it, it talks you through it, asks you, do you want to have backports? Yes, and then, so it does everything nicely. But I have to figure out how to install NVIDIA, and then I make a video how it actually works. I tried a few things what you find on the internet. I mean, AI is dumb, right? They're just taking what everybody thinks. So, well, what can you do, right? As long as they take all the power, computer parts, and all the water from the people. That's what I never understood, you know, like Texas. Oh no, you cannot run the air conditioning in the summer because we have no power. Oh no, don't run your heating in the winter time, we have no power. No, they have tons of data centers which use far more power than all the people together. Where does the power come from? And where does the water come from? Because they always have water problems too, right? But now there's no more problems. It's all just working fine. And the whole USA is totally free of CO2 lies, right? And other regimes are still running it like it would be true. I mean, they have atrocity to lie in your face right? They lie in your face, get caught lying, know that they get caught lying, and just continue lying. Like it's okay, we just repeat the lie often enough, and then people will maybe believe it. Oh yeah, I think I changed the setting. No, I did not change the setting. See that? So like that. That's what I usually do here. So I check up. I want to always ask for the download. Then this is okay. Home, you definitely have to. I mean, I take that out. Ding, ding, ding. Recommended stories. No shortcuts. Yes, I like them. This is all off. Search, and that's the first thing you really got to do. To be honest, I have one more Android device at home. Usually my phone is GraphenOS. And whatever I see and hear and what's going on, I really got allergy now to the old Android. So I'm thinking of maybe putting there are some Linux systems you can put on, and I think that is the way to go, because I really don't want it. And if they come with the age verification, you might have seen my video about the 3 billion, not million, billion reasons. That's my dog. So 3 billion reasons why I do not want to upload anything, and I don't need age verification. This is all nonsense. This is absolute about control. This has nothing to do with anybody's safety, because if you see that video, it shows you the English guy who was lobbying for it, bribing, whatever, or going for it, and got caught by the police. Yeah, so I mean, this says it all. This absolutely says it all. So. Well, yeah, so I'm absolutely not happy with what's going on. So, but that also doesn't mean we have to play ball with this, right? No. I call it extension, right? They call it add-on, I think. Extension. Yeah, it's the same to me. So here, my key pass, of course, right? Oh. Yeah, okay, then, there was no spelling error. You're not to rewind and pause. Right. Rule number 1, I'm always right. Rule number 2, if somebody proves me wrong, rule number 1 will be enforced. Alrighty, so that is that. Got that sorted out. My Nextcloud's already here. I got something downloaded, KeyPass. I don't think I have downloaded it yet, because it shows somewhere. I don't even know where they put it. No, KeyPass is not here yet. Alright, so I'm just making this work because I would like to have GhostBSD here too. And yeah, to be honest, I mean, I did my work with it like normal and I couldn't feel any difference. Absolutely nothing. The only barrier in my head is, oh yeah, no, this is GhostBSD. You're not flexible. You can't do what you want to. No, but I can do everything I need to do and even more than I want to do. And it's the same with VirtualBox, right? I mean, I installed it here too. Which one did I install here? I think the same, 7.1. Yeah, this works. And you can always see this when you have, let's say, USB on. And I got it on USB 3. It would not fire up if you don't have it, the additions running, yeah? So, and it works just fine. It's all great. I'm very happy with what it is. I would have loved to have GhostBSD 26 here with Ex Libre, and I don't know why it doesn't show the Ex Libre on my laptop. I saw Robbie Noogie had it. I don't. Maybe I have to Photoshop it in my thing. So that I asked AI to do this for me. No way. No, I don't use AI as a weapon, and you can't trust it. You don't touch it, and there's no local. Where does the memory sit? If you install it local, where does the memory come from? You're not having the whole data centers on your computer. So that means the surface, the interface, is talking. And you don't want that. You don't want to spy in your... Then you can install Copilot or Windows. Best thing is Windows 11. Yeah, I mean, honestly. I'm so sorry, guys. I really, I can't really believe that people use Windows. I mean, honestly, the price is too high. You have some dignity and keep it, because you're not a property. Nobody can tell you what to do. The legislation guys, they were supposed to be civil servants. Just imagine, it's like if you have a business, you run a shop, and now your mechanics comes and says, you know what, we just decided we give us 25% more salary. And then they're just doing it. So they're authority themselves and give themselves privileges which they never had, and nobody can do that. This is not possible, right? Well. However, let's not get sidetracked here. So the good thing is, yeah, as I said in the other video, GhostBSD, put the 25 ISO back on, because you lose tons of prospective people using your and enjoying your operating system. And it would be nice if you have something how to switch that off, because not that people accidentally upgrade to 26 and then they have no more time, literally. Except they would be by chance exactly in that weird time zone where this is. I think it's British Columbia or something. I don't know. The British. It's a weird time. It's not UTC. Some weird things going on. So yeah, because you close the big door with that, and don't do this. Make sure one thing is running before you give the other one up, right? So if you're climbing on a hill or something, you're not putting one foot and not sure if it's holding and takes the other foot off, because that might be the last time you do this, right? So yeah, I don't understand that. And I mean, it's BSD. It should never have happened. The BSD thinking is nope. We test it first, we run it first, and when it runs properly, then we're replacing it. Otherwise, keep both running. I mean, lots of people do this. They have like MX. I think you can get all the old versions still, and with antiques too. Yeah. So, but what I do like is BSD is not political. How Linux and BSD should have never been. It's an oxymoron to put politics in there, and all what's going on, it's absolute insanity. So that tells you the stage. Because that all happens because that guy here, one of the apes in Davos, said, "Oh, these people should not have computers." And Duran, look at that. And if you think that the whole war in the Middle East is for nothing, no, it destroys the infrastructure for oil. Because the same ape said you shouldn't be driving a car. Right? So now they're destroying that. And in the US, they even go and put 15% ethanol in the engines, and that will kill your old cars and get it off the road. Because you should have one. Just imagine you buy a car with a kill switch. Pardon me, what? Did I not buy the car? Is that not my car? What else can they do? Right? If they can remote control your whole car, what else do they do? Do they just break it down randomly after 150,000 miles or something? Like lots of people have these things. I wouldn't trust anybody anymore. And that means they all have to be brought to justice. There is no political immunity or I just did my job. No, you did it, you're guilty. This is it. Did we talk about GhostBSD actually? Let's not get distracted. You distracted me, guys. Yeah, I'm just upset what creatures are able to do. Right? These are non-humans. So, alrighty. Having said this, yeah, I'm still working with Lily Dog in the background, but I'm definitely shoot some of these installations into the knee because I want to get NVIDIA inside. Do I really need it? But it would open a door. Once I can do this, then people can use that even as a gaming platform, right? Why not? Yeah, I know that some people play even on BSD or on GhostBSD, so I have to look into that too, because it would be very, very interesting to see. But usual RoboNoogie should have been the specialist, but he's not making videos about it, so he's found guilty. Yeah, that means Linux said he's guilty, so then he's guilty. Rule number 1, there is no talking himself out of it, except he makes a video, then I will give him forgiveness, right? So, yeah, that's a call for action for him. And yeah, in the moment I changed the wallpaper, it looked already friendly. The only thing then reminding me is the dark color here on my laptop. So the other option is white. So I might have to go in and see how I change the whole theme. Because they're not giving you many options here. So if you go in look and feel, appearance, that's all what you get. You got custom dark, you got vMix dark, and you have vMix light. The light is a little bit bright. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. And you see some icons, I think, go away. Yeah, see that? Oh, that is still there. There's some missing. Yeah, no, not really. It's there, but it's different. But then you can go, not with fonts. Where are icons? Do not have icons. So you might have to go in here. How do you go in there? Customize. vMix light, icons. breeze. Oh yeah, that looks kind of good, right? The white is not good made. That looks okay, doesn't it? Menta doesn't do any difference. Oh, yeah, see, this is a no-go. Yeah, so we'll leave it with that, I guess. But, oh, this one is gone, is it? Oh, dear me, what did I do? I didn't do it, and you can't prove it. That's the network, right? Oh, dear me, what have I done? Oh, dear, oi, oi, oi. All right, so I'll show you now how to fix it. I'll show you how to fix it. You see? So you see already, if I'm not a designer, I'm just not. I enjoy good looking stuff, but I'm not a designer. I can't do it. I like it usually when they're a little bit more looked warped, I should say, like rounded, right? So I like that, and I like. I don't want it dark. I will change this. We will see. One day I get there, because install, I think you have to download them somewhere, find something you like. Oh, you get. See? Of course I knew this, right? Mate. Screenshots. Well, the blue looks nice, right? Looks like Debian blue. English. Development. Install. Blog. Community. Do the community have? Okay, I don't want to waste your time right now. I have to figure out where they are and do this. Because if somebody made a nice design, I'm happy to try it out, right? So I'm always in the lazy guy. If I can get it, don't have to do it. Alrighty, so here's my next cloud. That looks all okay, I guess. And yeah, I just wanted to make a video. So we have, as you can see, I still have time, 13:45 any moment on Saturday, and I will upload it, I think, right away. I have to go to work in an hour. I have to be out of the house, and then I will see what I can see. And I will try to make short videos in between, right? And then we go from there. Okie dokie. I think I will even reanimate my gaming channel. So that would be interesting. Then at least I get to game a little bit. Okay. I think I didn't add anything here yet. No, not really. Yeah, that's always the funny part. GhostBSD is always picking up that one USB thingy. Weird. However, it works, and that's all it needs. Alrighty. Yeah, to be honest, if you change the background and you change the color here, you wouldn't even know that you're on BSD. That is a mental barrier, because I think we get programmed, because there's always people out, oh no, GhostB doesn't work, oh, GhostB doesn't work, and oh, GhostB is not good for desktop, and BSD is not ready yet. It's nonsense. It's not true. It is ready. It is working. It's doing good. Yes, it has some minor issues with hardware. I take those. As I said, I had my little USB dongle for wireless, but now the 16 version has it working. All of a sudden it worked after an update. Yeah, great. So I could take the dongle out, but it's not that the dongle would hurt me, right? So it's one USB port less, but what do you need on a laptop for more than 2 or 3 available, let's say 2 available USBs? No? Alrighty, so yeah, I think when the look and feel changes, and you would even take this out, nobody would know anymore. So I have something in mind. That's why I got installed this, because my laptop is my working machine. It has to be always ready. So that means I trusted GhostBSD that I can always use it the way I need it. So that's why I'm very sensitive what I put on my laptop. And this here is, yes, if I ever screwed up my laptop, I had this here available at least. Right? So, but here I will try things out. And I'm not giving too much away, but we will see. And I hope it keeps interesting, entertaining, and maybe inspiring. Maybe if it's good, yeah, then I hope it will be inspiring. Okay, now I call the video off. I have to install HPLib, so I have to install HPLib that I get my pause button here. See, original, I don't have it. And in 26, this is even on this side here, so it's different. All right. Okay. Yeah, this is it. It's just 20. Oh, man, how time flies, guys, right? So I wish you a very nice weekend. Enjoy nature. If you have the LED, the sunshine, right? and breathe fresh air in if you can. So be at nature, water, trees, grass, field, whatever you can do, and enjoy your life. Worry when it's time to worry, not too early, no? Okay, I'm out now, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.